Good morning everyone and welcome back. I am working on the first floor. The goal is, as mentioned I guess in about 2 videos ago, to make the first floor livable and primarily to make it mentally more livable, meaning that I am cleaning up, scraping off old paint, old plaster, filling up holes and repainting all the walls. Also moving some tools around and stuff like that so I don't break my neck every morning when I step out of bed. And hopefully what this will achieve is a livable first floor as the basis of my house. And from this first floor I can branch out. So start doing the kitchen, and after that we'll do the basement floor I think. And after that we'll move on to the rest of the house, and obviously in the meantime we'll do some gardening as well. The idea for this hallway was quite challenging, but the idea is to make it a little bit cooler. So, hear me out. The walls of all the rooms around this central hallway are warmer hues, warmer colors, which is, I think, nice. For this hallway, I wanted to do something contrasting, but not too much. So I'm sticking with the sand sort of colorish color pattern, but I want it to be cooler. So I think this color is in fact a lot cooler. And for the paint of the doors, I'm hoping to do something like green, which I think explained in previous videos. We'll have to see if it works out though. I am planning on doing some tests with wall paint on wood, just really because it saves a lot of money, but maybe I think this might be the cheap but in the long term expensive way to do it. So if anyone has recommendations or experience with using wall paint on wood, then please do let me know. Otherwise I might do some tests and see if it works or not. But basically the idea is to have a sort of contrast between the central staircase, which is a little bit cooler, and all the rooms which are a little bit warmer. Hopefully they'll work out, but I guess we'll know at the end. Almost killed my camera here, which isn't great. But as you'll see in a second, just having this clean coat of paint on here really visually, mentally cleans up the space quite a bit. And the thing is with painting, for example, it is really a job that is simple and rewarding in a sense, and that really raises morale. So I think one of the reasons, or one of the things that I learned on a project like this is that I have to spread these kind of tasks, because painting specifically is just so easy and such a morale boost, because visually you see such a lot happening. So you get the feeling of accomplishing a lot. So spreading out these tasks in between other tasks that are maybe more difficult, or maybe more, the results are maybe more hidden, is actually pretty crucial. I think for me this came at a good time, because I needed the cleanup, and it was nice and refreshing to actually have minimal effort and maximal output. So that I'm very happy with that. I think actually now you can actually see the result already in this hallway, how clean it, well, I think it looks clean enough for me at least. So I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty stoked about this. So you see me ripping off this painter's tape. These dark borders here in the hallway, and also in quite a few rooms, I think is original, not specifically this paint, but the fact that there is a dark border is, I think, original. So I'm trying to honor that and therefore keep the dark border in at least the hallway. You saw me paint it over in the bedroom and other rooms. I think it looks different, and I prefer it for these rooms. However, for the hallway, I'm sticking to the dark border and I quite like it. So, coming back to morale boost, I made a trip that I made some footage of and didn't share with you guys, but I think it would be nice to share it with you now anyways. In the future I might make separate sections within the channel for renovation, gardening, exploring the country, etc. For now, however, I'll add it to this video.